Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a handwriting effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Start by going to Fusion and clicking the Media in one and adding a Text Plus node. Now enter your text and modify its size, font, and position to your preference. With your selected text, go to Effects and search for Mask Paint and add it to your text. Then click the stroke tool and check the invert option under the tools. Now adjust the brush size to slightly larger than your text and set its softness to zero point 0.1. Then go to stroke controls and expand the stroke animation and select the right on. Now carefully trace over the letters without letting go of the mouse button until you're finished. When you're finished, your text will reappear. Uncheck the invert to make it disappear again. Now open the keyframe section and expand the mask paint 1 and stroke 1 to see your keyframes. Select all the keyframes, just right click and enable the time stretching. Now adjust the keyframe to control the speed of the handwriting animation for shorter for faster and longer for slower. And that's it. That's how you create a handwriting effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips tutorials. Thanks for watching.